Nobody can do this.
Nobody.
Really.
I agree too. I've been doing my hair for years and shit. This is the only one. The only one.
Did this on my own here. That's why I'm all alone here. Tough times seem the darkest, but the hardest make the light within the darkness. But it goes so much deeper. That's why we getting high to compensate, blowing reefer. Even fuck this one girl's trying to be a teacher. Her head game strong, but there's some things that I can teach her. Yeah, now she the one teaching youth. But the truth is the problem stemming from the roots. No one wants to be a role model. Shit, I wonder where they learn to shoot. Damn, I'm far from hood but understand the streets. And that's gonna be my first line up in my Grammy speech. Yeah, it takes a certain type of man to preach, but I haven't hit the pinnacles I plan to reach. And this one be my theme song, but this ain't a just for me song. Cruising Bentley or a Nissan. Feel free to bring your problems as we sing along. And this one here be our theme song. Yeah, this one here be our theme song. Keep the middle fingers long, cause this one here be our theme song. I let it ride. Yeah, this one just a vibe. Yeah, this one here just a vibe. Yeah, this one here just a vibe. I die for this game. Homicide and suicide. Who's the one that asks the real questions? Tell me where's the patience to teach the real lessons? I mean people killing people like a Call of Duty session. I pray to God we find direction, so if they catch me slipping, God know all my confessions. Yeah, my mistakes were just lessons. I could sleep when I die, cause counting money be a blessing. And this one be my theme song, but this ain't a just for me song. Cruising Bentley or a Nissan. Feel free to bring your problems as we sing along. And this one here be our theme song. Yeah, this one here be our theme song. Yeah. And it's the shakedown. I'll take you through the breakdown. This motherfucker about his cake now, cause there's food up on my plate now. Yeah, I got it poppin'. I told my mom I wasn't stopping. Why? Failure not an option. Had to throw away the key cause I stay locked in. Locked in, yeah, I'm staying locked in. You thinking that you screwed like I'm chopping. Yeah, you in a mood cause I'm popping. So as I write the beat, I'll let you hop in. Locked in, yeah, I'm staying locked in. You thinking that you screwed like I'm chopping. Yeah, you in a mood cause I'm popping. So as I write the beat, I'll let you hop in. Creeping on my stealthy shit. Trying to get up on my wealthy shit.
Human hair. That's from India. That's really expensive. So.
Yeah, I've never used a synthetic, man.
Yeah.
Indian hair, real hair.
Yeah, real hell.
Yeah, kept it moving forward, never backpedaling. Yeah, and now my rhymes on some crazy shit. Yeah, Spotify validated it. Yeah, I'm talking big game. Crazy how my nickname got a nickname. Yeah, I got it poppin'. I told my mom I wasn't stopping. Why? Failure not the option. Had to throw away the key cause I stay locked in. Locked in, yeah, I'm staying locked in. You thinking that you screwed like I'm chopping. Yeah, you in a mood cause I'm popping. So as I write the beat, I'll let you hop in. Locked in, yeah, I'm staying locked in. You thinking that you screwed like I'm chopping. Yeah, you in a mood cause I'm popping. So as I write the beat, I'll let you hop in.
Finally,
You know what I mean?
we have a Dreadlock. Yeah, you cannot believe this is an extension because I only use human hair. So this is every strand has a different shape and yeah, bald and thin, everything. Every strands are different. So that's why it's unique.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
And really, can you shake it?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Flexible.
Not hard.
Yeah. Nobody can do this.
Nobody.
Really,
I
really.
I agree too. I've been doing my hair for years and shit. This is the only one
Right.
that did it right.
Right.
Oh,
Before you had a hardy dread,
Yeah,
right?
I had it hard.
Yeah,
you
but
know what I mean?
now
Now it's like nice and
flexible.
natural.
Yeah,
Flexible.
really flexible.
Yep.
Yeah, can you see that? This is looking natural, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because hair, if I like this, it's gonna be this, but not this.
Exactly,
Yeah, right.
Right, man. I like that. I like that.
Yeah, brother.
All right,
Thank
bro.
you so
Appreciate
much.
you, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
man.
much.
Hey,
man.
but guess what? We're gonna be business partners.
Yeah, yeah, right.
I'm gonna be working soon and do hair myself also. I'm gonna be doing hair too. You know what I
Right.
mean?
You ain't no mood cause I'm poppin'. So as I ride the beat, I'll let you hop in.